Okay. Now see, Sun, Jupiter. Again, Sun is the father, and who is Jupiter?
Self, Jiva.
Jiva. Okay. Now, this Sun is the Atma and Jupiter is the Jiva. This forms one of the greatest of the yogas. It is called as Jiva Atma Samyoga. Jiva is Jupiter, Atma is Sun, Samyoga. Samyoga means they are together. They are forming a yoga. And this is one of the most beautiful yogas if you have in your chart. Because here, Sun gets all the qualities of Jupiter, my father. He will be very educated, full of wisdom. People will honor him, treat him like a guru. And his whatever he says, people will follow him. उनको बहुत value देंगे. And conversely, Jupiter is the guru or the Jiva. He is with the Sun. So he will be also exalted in that. Correct? Yes or no?
Please repeat that. Exalted, madam.
Jupiter, Jiva, when he is with Sun, what it will give him? Jupiter is a Jiva. So what qualities will Sun give him?
Dignity, respect.
Dignity, then?
Respect, status.
Respect, status.
Status, name and fame.
Name and fame. Then?
Will be in authority, high authority.
High authority. He is in the companionship of the king. So his status in life will be exalted. Much more better. And then he can be connected to the government, in some form or the other. When this yoga is there, both these planets, this is the best of the combination. What I told you is Jiva Atma Samyoga. Now see, who gets this yoga? Someone, most of the astrologers, if you have this yoga, then it is a very good yoga for becoming an astrologer. Because Jupiter is acquired knowledge, right? And Sun is the Atma. So this acquired knowledge, my soul is bringing from so many of my past births. I have seen this yoga in so many of the astrologers. Some way connected or the other. They can be 212 or by retro they get connected, or they are in trine, or they are sitting together. You all also check. Do you all have this combo in your charts?
212, ma'am.
Correct.
I have in 212.
See, everybody cannot learn astrology. Even if they start now, they cannot take it further on. They lose interest at the maths part itself and they leave astrology. That is what happened with many of my friends. When I started learning astrology, there were 3 years completely only they taught us maths. And many of them don't have any interest in maths. So they just left the classes. But then there is this yoga which will make you an excellent astrologer. And you will carry this studies not only in this life, with every life. Further on, the soul will carry this knowledge from life to life. One more thing, if this yoga is present in your charts and very strong, we will say that the native is staying with the father. The native is staying with the father. Okay, and you can also say that the native can follow in the profession of his own father also. If the Saturn also comes in conjunction with this, in any way connected to this, then The native also will follow the father's footstep in his this thing, profession. One more thing about this yoga, it's written in the books, is it is this yoga in which they say कि the native is born in his own family. मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि कोई पूर्वज ही जन्म लेके हमारे फैमिली में आए हैं. So this is the yoga. If someone has this yoga very strong in their charts, you will just see the mannerisms they do. They will always follow कोई दादाजी के ऊपर, कोई किसके ऊपर. आपको दिखाई देंगे वो mannerisms. Check it out. In my last batch, so many of them said, yes, ma'am, we know such people. If the native is doing everything that his grandfather used to do. So these people take birth in their own families. They have taken birth in their own family. This generation. Okay? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any question?
Okay, madam.
For son also it is very good because he is with the guru, he is with the teacher. The king will always listen to the guru. Guru in the olden days used to advise them about everything. Not only about religious matters, they used to take interest in everything because they knew each and every art. So the king would not move without asking the guru, okay, can I do this or can I not do this? So this is one of the best combinations that you have. Then Sun and Mercury.
Madam, this lineage